Do we have an off-white box here? What off-whites do they have at the clearance store? That's kind of crazy. Off-white right there. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video out at Santa Clarita. So of course I gotta hit up the Nike clearance store. Let's go see what's up. Speaking fast as hell, like I'm on something. I'm not on nothing. But yeah, let's go check out the store. I'm just in a hurry because we got spots to hit up, man. I gotta go into work later, so let's go. They just opened up 10 minutes ago. He's already doing it big with his cart right there. All right, I see someone with some Jordans in their hand. All right, let's go. I did walk by the heat wall last time. Didn't even notice, but yeah, dude, still got these Jordan 7s. Still going for $1.60. That's about 20% off retail. That one is still a size 10. Most of these are huge sizes. Got Jordan 1 mid craft right here, going for $1.10, a size 9. Got some dunks right here. These are Syracuse dunks. $100 for those. Isn't that retail? Didn't those come out for that? Size 12, $1.20. 13, 100. 11s right here, $1.10, so $30 off retail. Size 10 AJKOs, $1.10 for those. Jumbos, these are size 15 dunk jumbos, go for $60. And then for big feet game, they got all kinds of stuff. $1.10. That's the one like the alligator skin type of look. 13s right here, go for 100. Size 18, $90. Size 15, $100. All right, checking the smaller sizes. That's what I'm starting with today. Let's go. We saw these going for regular price at some of the outlets lately. What the heck? $80 here. Moabs, remember these? Remember how these had resale and we couldn't even find them? What the hell? $80 now that the hype is done. LeBron 2s going for 100. Got 37s right here, go for 100 as well. AJKOs, but saw a bunch of these last time, $1.10. Be True Air Max 97s going for $1.50, way too high. Del Don size 9 going for $50. I did get these in a size 9 at refurb. I got it for like $50, something like that. I don't think that's gonna fit the kid that I bought it for. I think he needs size 8.5. I did hit him up. Dang it! So I'm gonna have to look for a size 8.5. Blazers going for $40. Trying to find some steals on running shoes, size 8.5. Not really finding it here because these are going for $70. Checking out the size 9. Someone just recently mentioned, oh, you finally went through every size. Like I do that every video. I've been doing that for 4 years. Like just certain times there's just nothing much to show you guys in certain sizes. That's how it works. Size 9s right here. Cosmic Unity 3s go for $70. That's a weird colorway. They got some wild colorways of the Cosmic 3s. Tailwind 79s go for $50. Dude got the Drift Gators. I had to look this up. I had to look up on the side. This is the one where it has this material and it comes all the way to your knees, just in case you need to go deep in the water in Florida or something, or somewhere in the south. I guess in Florida you don't want to because all those crocodiles. So I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But I do got these $40. These retail for $220. Wow. Got plenty of these, go for $100. I haven't worn those in a while. I need to throw those on. Jordan 11 low IEs already, $1.50. I think these are $185 normally, so like $35 on. Calm slides right here, Nike Calm slides going for $30. These are normally what, $55? Got dunks going for $100. Size 10, 10.5. These are 10.5, go for $80. Definitely more than my $35 pair. I can't believe I got these for $35. That's crazy. $50 for these. These ain't bad. Oh, it's like 8 different animals on them. Got a ton of these. I'm trying to remember how much I paid. Did I pay 100? Did I pay 85? I don't remember. Then they got a bunch of these in different sizes, go for 30, which is dope because those are normally 55. One of the better deals here. If you can find Blazers, those are also a really good deal. 50. That's a mids right here, $100. $100. That's still not bad because these came out for $125 or something, but still, it's just not the crazy deals we're used to here. Let's see what these are going for. That's a big question. $100. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Zoom Generations in a 10.5. I can't wait till these go down in price. 150 for those, a little too much. And then look, these are 130. Really? Ain't nobody buying no Air Force Utilities. Size 10 going for 80. Then okay, so we are seeing them here and there. I did grab one last week because I was like, just in case they run out, I need to grab one. Going back and forth between 10, 10.5. These are the Tempo Next Percent Flyknits, $100. These are really good for running and super comfy. Our 10.5 Killshot 2 leathers going for 50. Zion 2s, the Zion 3s just were announced. These are going for $60. Okay, trainers, $60. Size 11s. That's where we're at right now. Cosmic Unity in an awful colorway going for $70. Better colorway right here, way better color going for $70 as well. Got some dunks. What these dunks go for? $90. So what these come out for? $110. What about $20 off? Adjust Forces. This is the Ambush collab, right? Yep. Ambush collab going for $170. I'm trying to remember the retail on these. Were they $2? I think these were $2. These are definitely old school. You could take that strap on, so you can take the entire strap off. You can wear it with the strap, without the strap. The colorway is just kind of extra. 60 for Hirachis right here. Witnesses in the size 12 going for $50. Got multiple colorways right here. Okay. Katie Trey 510s down to $40. I think that's the cheapest we've seen those for sure. Jordan 6 Golf right here. The infrared. These are pretty fire. $150 though. Alright, trying to speed things along a little bit. Not seeing anything crazy. Some decent deals, but nothing crazy. 2090s going for $80. More of these Cosmic Unity 3s. I'm telling you, man, these are like some funky colors. They always have weird colors. These are 12.5 going for $80. 13s. Got some golf right here. Bordeaux's. Got golf right here. Going for $180. Some the Jordan System 23s going for $50. These came out hella expensive. Even come with extra insoles. And then you could take this in and out. Yeah, that's why it's called the System. But yeah, $50. These are normally like well over $100. So I guess if you're into that. Forces down to $70. The Air Forces depends on which colorway, because yeah, the all white ones they come out pretty expensive. Moving up to the 14s, $50 for these. These ugly water things right here going for $60. These are $13 though. Jordan 20s. These are a premium, and then they're charging that premium price $2. What the hell? Vaporfly Next Percents, no price tag. Air Force One highs. These are down to $60, so that's not too bad, especially for big feet gang. Got 15s here for the same price as well. ADG Golf right here for size 15 going for $60. And then got Forces down here. What these go for? Oh, these are size 17 go for $90. And size 18 go for $50. Missed this in the heat section. Look at this. Got off-whites here. And these ain't even moving, I guess. $110. $110 for these. Okay. No, a bunch of you guys have not had a chance to get off-white sneakers. And hey, dude, get it for retail, dude. 12.5 too. So not the easiest size. Still has the tag on it and everything. Yeah, not bad, dude. Not bad if that's your thing. I did mean to buy this for my kiddo when I was in where was I? When I was at the Ontario Mills Nike outlet. The only thing is I don't know for sure if my water bottle fits right here. I don't know if it is. It's $30 now. Remember, these were going for hella expensive price. I don't remember the price. These were going for like $60-$70. And yeah, they're finally down to 30. I might. Dang it! I don't have time to go to my car, get my water bottle and stuff. That is what I should do. I should bring my water bottle in. I'm gonna hold off on that. Maybe I'll come back later this week. Always have to scope the apparel. I did come here last week and I did show you guys most of the apparel. They still have a lot of the same stuff. You saw that one reseller with the bin. It was all clothing. Because there's really not too many steals on sneakers right now. So definitely do need to go to the apparel section. Yeah, I got kind of got certain things I need to get done in a bit. And I did say I want to check out the kids, so now let's go check out the kids section, and then I think we're gonna wrap it up. Size 6 in the kids right here. LeBron 20s, what? Oh my god, like sometimes this stuff don't even make sense. This is a men's pair too. They didn't even make grade school of these, did they? No, these are men's pairs. $170 seems way high. These dirty denim Air Max 1 premiums, $70. That's not bad. That's not bad right here. Got some boots right here. The Goteras, I don't even know that. Boot right there, $50 for those. All right, this is what I want to see. Air more tempos on the size 6, $110. Way too high. $70 for these bad boys right here. Jordan 37s. Prices are definitely interesting here. $70 for those. I did move over to the size 4s and kind of the same thing. $60 for these penny ones right there. Air Max 180 ambush, going for $150. These, I think they only made in a men's. Jordan 6 retro. This is a grade school, going for $120. $60 for these. Okay, that's getting better. $60 for their more tempos. Vapor Edge cleats. If you need cleats for your kiddo, this is the perfect place. $15. That is just hella cheap. Jordans right here going for $100. Jordan 2s. I think that's a men's. That's not a grade school. That usually says GS. Air more tempos right next to that. Going for $60. 4.5. $60 for the Griffies. These LeBrons down to $100, so maybe it depends on the colorway. Air Maxes, Air Max 95s go for $70. Price is way up and down, definitely interesting. I do have to go into work today. It looks like I have no socks on. I have no-show socks, but yeah, wearing Jordan 13s. These are the black hats. The hologram right there is fogged up. I'm gonna have to try what some of you guys have mentioned. I think a dryer, blow dryer. I'm gonna have to try that. Supposedly that helps. Pretty decent condition though. Pretty decent condition. And then I do have to go into work in a bit, so jeans, t-shirt. I'm allowed to wear jeans, t-shirt, which is dope. Jeans, t-shirt, and sneakers. I love the fact that I'm allowed to wear sneakers at work. All right, I think we're gonna wrap things up. I don't think this video is as long as I want them to be, but yeah, I got other spots to hit up, and then I have to go into work in a bit. So I think that's about it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Make sure you guys subscribe and click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos to come. My goal is a video every day. Seeing if I missed anything. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And yeah, if you really want to help your boy out, make sure you join that membership. Help your boy with gas. Getting killed with gas prices. But we out. We're done. Thanks, you guys.